My name is Elizabeth Muller, and today we're going to make congri. Our rice has been cooking for about 20 minutes now, and it looks something like this. Look how now it's gone and put itself, it's gotten all together now. And the liquid and the sofrito, the beans, the rice, and now one. This is what it kind of looks like before I do my next step. The next step is very important. It's the actual pork and bacon that goes in next to cook in with it. And I'm going to go ahead and take what I've put on the side before, and I'm going to place it in here and stir it all up and flavor it up. Okay? Let's take that in there now. Let's move it around like this. Look at that. That's going to taste delicious and look delicious. I've left some pork grinds on the side for later, so I can eat it up with some and have some wine. So stirring it up, and I'm going to cook it for a little while longer.